In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive bento box grid layout in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma, the file where you want your bento grid to live. With your canvas visible, right-click anywhere to open the context menu. Hover over Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. In the search field, look for the Bento Grid Maker plugin. When it appears, click to run it. If you don't see it yet, Manage Plugins is also where you can quickly add it, so you are set for this in future projects. Once the plugin window opens, you'll define the grid structure. Here is what each control affects. Frame width and height determine the overall size of the bento grid container that the plugin will generate on your canvas. Gap controls the spacing between the tiles, while padding sets the inner spacing between the container's edge and its tiles. Corner radius rounds the tile corners for that soft modern look that bento designs are known for. You can also set how many sections or rows you want, which guides the plugin in arranging the tiles. If you want variety without manually tweaking, enable the randomize option so each run gives you a fresh layout. Prefer a hero focus? Here is an option to place a larger section in the center. Ideal for a standout image or headline. When your settings look right, click Create Bento. The plugin will generate a new frame on your canvas, already set up with auto layout. That means the grid is responsive by default. As you resize the entire frame, the tiles adjust according to your gap, padding, and sizing choices, keeping everything aligned and evenly spaced. If you drag a corner of the frame to test it, you'll notice the layout adapts smoothly without breaking the design. Now it's time to add content. Select any tile and drop in images, text, or even other frames. Because the container uses auto layout, content snaps neatly into place. For images, try setting them to fill so they crop elegantly within the tile. For text, keep line lengths comfortable and use consistent type styles for a clean, unified system. If a particular tile needs emphasis, you can scale its contents or adjust its padding without disrupting the overall rhythm. That's it. Thanks for watching.